Hello, my name is Bill Leisure, and my speech for a current trend related to the IT profession is the big trend in IT is cloud computing. One of the biggest trends in information technology is called cloud computing and encompasses most all aspects of the computer information technology areas. There are many business types looking at going with the cloud computing services if they have not already done so. These are small businesses, large Fortune 500 corporations, city, state, and federal government agencies, even one person's business are looking to use the cloud computing and its services. Many companies that are currently running in-house enterprise-type intranets are working on incorporating certain cloud computing services to enhance these enterprise structures. Cloud computing services can include mobile database warehouses, customer relational management systems, and many other tools, such as the use of social media sites being integrated within their services to each company. Cloud computing. Traditionally, many companies have been using the IT intranet form of enterprise systems, which are largely a compartmentalized setup for each company, and the main concern here is for safety and security of their company's data and information. According to Strahavold's article, Cloud Computing Update Trends, Risk, and Mitigations, states, cloud computing continues to be adopted at or near double-digit growth rates for the near future, despite strong evidence showing that security remains a significant concern. Strahanova, K., 2013. The biggest concern for companies using the cloud service has been the issue of how secure will our data and information be. An example would be that company's accounting department keeps their database information locked down and kept only for use among the accounting department users and staff. Only verified personnel could see and use that data and information that they are authorized to see. In most of these enterprise systems, they would most likely have a limited internet side and an intranet side for internet processes and enterprise activity. The internet side would allow for the general public to research a company and to view products and place orders for products over the internet. The intranet side would be only for in-house use and activities and allows most control and overall security for the enterprise system. The accounting department would have its own server or multiple servers as proprietary ownership to the accounting department's use only. This is what creates a term called data silo or data silos, when multiple servers and multiple departments are involved in having each department in a business having its own server for multiple servers as proprietary ownership to the accounting department's use only. Within each departmental own information being compartmentalized unto itself, it is very hard to make mission critical and company-wide decisions that are to be based from information combined from many different departments in order to make those decisions. The big push and rush of today's businesses is to stay ahead of the pack in implementing all of their data for use among many systems and to combine them into systems that can be used to combine data to make these mission critical decisions. Use what is termed information sharing trends. These trends are, as you can see here, is a quote by Newman that discusses how they are moving away from the silo concept to the enterprise information systems to a more sharing of the data system for today and tomorrow's enterprise system. According to the article, cloud standardization, consistent business processes and information from Informatica Economica. Cloud computing represents one of the latest emerging trends in distributed computing that enables the use and existence of hardware infrastructure and software applications as a service. The present paper offers a general approach to the cloud computing standardization as a means of improving the speed of adoption for the cloud technologies. That was a quote from Zoda and Frutilla in 2013. So as you can see, what is happening with the new trends of how information is to be used in the modern enterprise systems for today and tomorrow's new technology advances is to actually start combining the data that used to be separated and start massaging it and perform what is called data mining as one of the newer techniques, along with taking data that's in a silo called information islands and to combine the data and term this action as a information mainland. I believe these information islands are a very good concept in how they are performing data mining techniques with all the departments with newly combined information into the information mainland. The information is still safe and secure the enterprise system as it was before, but much work is being done with the data to help the business and company make new decisions and ideas. The next arena or stage is with the trends of how information is to be used in modern enterprise system for business services start the implementation of our enterprise system combined with the cloud computing technologies. As according to Erbs, Hammett, and Rotner, trends forcing changes in IT. For many decades, IT was largely shielded inside an enterprise. Enterprises use traditional ways to meet their internal business needs, and IT processes and systems they built, operate, and maintained in-house. As the trends of how information is used in the modern enterprise systems are changing at a rapid pace, and many companies are heavily using the cloud services. Conclusion: when moving an organization's data into cloud-based systems, there are always concerns with data privacy and protection. People at these companies will want access to the cloud services, from the CEO and CIO down to the sales reps and marketing analysis. For instance, using the software as a service platform, cloud-based is built from the ground up to make it possible for sales organizations to be more agile and capable while in the field. Having a SaaS also allows everyone in the company which needs to see dashboards of real-time data the ability to make quicker decisions based on the information for customers and current corporate campaigns, allowing communication via email, smartphone, tablets, mobile devices. Will give the sales force a more personal relationship with their clients while at the same time allowing them the opportunity to close out deals faster. Most companies are considering or looking to move to a trusted service provider while at the same time lowering the initial cost of equipment and the software cost. When moving an organization's data into a cloud-based system, there are always concerns with data privacy and protection. These concerns were evaluated by project teams, and each data type was considered before the decision was made on the SaaS that was selected. So as you can see, the big trend in computer information systems is moving to the cloud, and according to this article, Beyond Lightning, a survey, quotes, Beyond Lightning, a survey on security challenges in cloud computing and computers and electrical engineering. It is a trend that other companies are moving their applications to the cloud to reduce investment and operation costs and increase their profits. That was by Rong and Nguyen and John Toon in 2013. Thank you.